It's a rush guard. You don't even think about it.
Oh, he got it.
Yeah, you got it. Great job, Austin. Wow.